In this video, we will give step-by-step instructions on how to refill the soap and replace the batteries for the PURELL CX series countermount dispensers. First, if there is an existing refill, remove the empty bottle by using one hand to push the green release latch on the below deck assembly counterclockwise, while using the other hand to grasp and pull downward on the refill bottle. Next, attach the straw to the new refill you will be installing. Then, feed the straw on the refill bottle up through the motor assembly and bottle support and dispenser assembly, aligning the two indents in the bottle and the support. Slide the bottle upward until it securely snaps into place. The refill is not properly installed until you hear the snap. Test the system by passing your hand under the spout of the dispenser assembly in front of the sensor window 3 or 4 times until foam soap appears. If the system does not dispense soap after passing your hand in front of the sensor several times, repeat several more times. If no sound is heard from the motor assembly after placing your hands in front of the sensor, check to see that the data cable halves are firmly connected, that the batteries are good, and that the battery box cover is properly positioned and fastened to the box. If the unit is multi-activating, check for bent contact pins inside the connector. And the job is complete. To replace the batteries, first, remove the cover from the battery box by loosening the 2 captive screws on the cover. Replace the 4 alkaline D-cell batteries in the battery box cover. The batteries must be positioned according to the diagram shown on the inside of the cover, or the system will not work. Once the batteries are installed, place the cover on the battery box and tighten the 2 captive screws. That ends our refill installation and battery replacement instructions for the PURELL CX series countermount dispensers. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact us.